Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best BenQ TK850 calibration settings. Best BenQ TK850 calibration settings. Recommended settings for SDR, standard dynamic range. Picture mode, cinema, brightness 50, contrast 43, color tint 50, sharpness 6, gamma 2.3, color temperature CT normal, red gain 98, green gain 106, blue gain 101, red offset 252, green offset 260, blue offset 262. Color management system CMS settings for SDR. Hue H, red 230, green 240, blue 212. Saturation S, red 200, green 200, blue 200. Gain G, red 230, green 207, blue 212. Chromaticity C, red 136, green 196, blue 229. Magenta M, red 312, green 196, blue 276. Yellow Y, red 266, green 185, blue 220. Additional settings for SDR. Brilliant color 1 by 10, dynamic iris high, light mode economic. Recommended settings for HDR high dynamic range. HDR brightness -1, red gain 100, green gain 100, blue gain 96, red offset 256, green offset 256 and blue offset 256. Additional settings for HDR. Brilliant color 10, dynamic iris high, light mode normal. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.